This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics and immediately starting the fix. Make sure OneDrive is running and signed in, unstable internet or full storage blocks sync. Right-click the cloud icon, choose Help and Settings, then pause syncing for 2 minutes and resume to prompt activity. If that doesn't start transfers, run OneDrive. exe/reset on Windows or force quit and reopen the OneDrive app on Mac. These first actions often nudge the client back into a healthy sync state. Once done with the restart, you tackle common mid-process blockers. Inspect file names for illegal characters, very long paths, or files marked read-only. These stop uploads. Then open OneDrive settings, account, and use choose folders to ensure the target folders are selected. If selective sync is correct but files still hang, quit OneDrive and start it again or sign out and sign back in. Reauthentication rebuilds the sync database. These steps resolve most persistent discrepancies without a full reset. To finish, verify sync status icons and create a small test file to confirm upload and download. If items remain stuck, unlink your PC from OneDrive in Settings and then add the account back. This rebuilds the local sync folder. As a final measure, do a full reset with OneDrive. exe/reset and restart the client. That clears corrupted sync metadata. If things still fail, inspect Event Viewer for OneDrive errors or contact admin. But the reset usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.